Hello there. Look at this. GoPro. Oh, I'm sorry. I have fingerprints on there. Don't. Fingerprints are not good for your videos. Not much better, right? Do I have fingerprints in the back? I do. Okay, today I want to show you what happens if your SD card is full and what you can do about it. So let's look at this quick. Let me take my battery out and take a look at my SD card. Here, this is the SD card I have. Maybe I can zoom in all the way. Here, can I focus on this or what? Here. 64 gigabytes, SanDisk Extreme Pro. You know, and we are going to insert this here. Here, there. Look at this. Insert this into our GoPro Hero 7. Bam. Okay. Now we need to focus again here. Can we? Yeah, we can. Look at this. So I am recording at 5K 30. 1 hour 24 minutes. 1 hour 24 minutes goes through 1.5 battery to achieve that. And then here, SD full. So the way you deal with this, go down there, go over to the side, preferences. You notice that the touchscreen all of a sudden works. Reset, format SD card, format, and it formats. So by now you have fingerprints again on this, right? Come on. Yeah, I go over the back button, and there we are here. Look at it. There it is. And we can record 1 hour and 15 minutes. I did 1 hour 24 minutes. 5K 30. Horizon leveling and the booster on for shaking. And as I said, it took me 1.5 of a battery to do this. And when the battery is dead, it just beeps once, beep, and it's off. So you have to really listen to it to get the point when the battery dies. Yeah, that's how that goes. When your SD card is full, that's how you erase it again and delete it.